Unit 3, Changes Around Us. In this lesson, we are going to see how the changes are taken place. Changes taken place around us at all the time. For example, ice melts on heating. It is a change from a solid to a liquid state. In the term 1, you have studied about states of matter. In that, we have studied about solid, liquid, and gas. Related to that only, we are going to see in this lesson. On further heating, water starts evaporating. That means it becomes gas. This is a state of physical change. Now, look at the next picture. There is a change in the chemical reaction. Let us see iron ore export to moist condition. The reddish brown new substance called rust it forms on the iron. If you see in the iron pieces which is there on the water, you can see a brownish and red color which is there on the iron substance. That is called rusting. This is the chemical changes which taken place in iron. Let us see some of the changes taken place in things by a chemical and a physical process. First one, rusting of iron. Second one, digestion of food. Third one, boiling of egg. Fourth one, rotting banana. Fifth one, mixing sand and water. Sixth one, chopping wood. Sixth one, crushing a can. Seventh one, a mixture of different colored buttons. The last one, burning of wood. In the term 1, you have studied about what is matter. Matter is nothing but it is made up of tiny particles like atoms and molecules. It has been randomly arranged. Let us see what are the states of matter. That is solid, liquid and gas. There are 3 states of matter. First we are going to study about solid. In solid, the particles are very loosely arranged. It is a definite shape. It has a shape. For example, if you take an apple, it has a shape. Like that, the solid have a definite shape. And particles arranged in a fixed and regular pattern. Particles can vibrate each other in a fixed position. In liquid, the particles are close together. Particles are not arranged in a fixed regular patterns. Particles are able to slide past one another. It has been moving from one to another place. Next one, gas. Particles are far away from each other. Particles are not arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles can move easily from one place to another place. For example, it moves freely long over distance. It does not have any definite shapes. Now, let us see how the effects of heat taken place in solid, liquid and gases. When we are eating, particles arranged within the states of matter get disturbed. It happens in contraction as well as in expansion. It also may result in melting, boiling, freezing and condensation. This brings changes in physical as well as chemical change. Physical changes. Physical changes are the changes which happens only in the physical properties. There is no new substance will be formed. For example, when we stretch a rubber band, it elongates. When the stretching is stopped, the rubber band comes to the original state. This is called physical state. Now let us see characteristics of physical change. Physical changes has some of the characteristics. First one, no new substance or formed. For example, when the ice cube melts, the water is formed. In this chant, there is no new substance is formed. The water remains the same. Second one, reversible in nature. For example, water is heated, the water vapors are formed. When we cool the water vapor, again the water is obtained. Third one, the shape, color and size of the substance undergo a change. Fourth one, the chemical properties of the substance do not change. Changes of states taken place are major physical changes in everyday life. Let us see about this. From solid to liquid, changes is called melting point. From liquid to gas is called vaporization. From liquid to solid is called freezing. From gas to liquid is called condensation. From solid to gas is called sublimation. To know the changes of state, let us know the two definitions of very important in this lesson, that is exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic means the reaction that releases energy in the form of heat. Endothermic means the reaction which absorbs heat from the surroundings. Melting. Melting is a change which taken place in a solid. When we eat a solid, it changes into liquid. That is, the process of definite shapes change it into indefinite shapes. When a solid changes into liquid, that is called melting. For example, ice cube. Let us see a small activity based on melting of ice and freezing of water. Listen carefully. When ice and water look different, they are both made up of water molecules. This means that no new substances form. This is a physical change. During melting of ice, only a state of matter, that means solid to liquid, takes place during melting of ice. So the melting of ice to form water is a physical change. The changes which occur during melting of ice from water can be reversed easily by freezing in the refrigerator. That is called freezing point. Evaporation is a process by which the liquid state changes into gaseous state by giving a pressure or a temperature. For example, when the mother boils the water, you can see the evaporations are taking place. Freezing is a process where the temperature of a liquid changes into a solid state. For example, when you keep a water in the refrigerator for a freezing, you can get a ice cubes later. That is called freeze state. Condensation is a changing of a gas into a liquid state. It happens by cooling, whereas evaporation is a changing of a liquid into its gas state. It happens by heating. Condensation, it happens by cooling. Sublimation is a process in which solid state is converted directly into a gaseous state. That is called sublimation. The best example for sublimation is camphor. Camphor is a solid state. When we eat that, it directly changes into gaseous state. That means the solid directly changes into gaseous state. That is called sublimation.